Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your Gumtree account within your web browser. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gumtree.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Gumtree website. Now if you are logged into your account already, you will see the messages and the menu icon at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on menu and you will see the logout button at the very end. Just click on this button and now you will successfully be logged out from your account. If you wish to log back in, you will need to click on the login/register button at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your credentials within the login screen. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Gumtree. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.